I am craving passion fruit kahit di ko pa siya nakakain. Pero nakatikim na ako ng mga drinks na passion fruit flavor. So I kind of have an idea what it tastes like, but I've never eaten it in this form or shape. Hindi ako nag-search on purpose kung paano siya balatan, kainin in general kasi play safe ako. Too soon. It really takes time para makapag-open up tayo sa mga tao, no? So good. These glasses are from Gentle Monster. Pero hindi ko gusto yung reflection niyang ganyan, no? Wow. Oh my God, nakakatakot. Hindi siya pala ganun kaganda sa camera. Wow. I thought it's gonna be super sour, but it's so sweet. Wait, kinakain mo yung buto? Ang dami ko nalunok. One more. Let's try with yogurt. Oh, no. And that's it. Support Mika Salamanca. Kita-kits again on my next Cravens.